Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to make sure your SUPERBOX device is powered on and connected to your internet. Check that your Wi-Fi signal is strong because downloading apps requires a stable connection. If you're using an Ethernet cable, that's even better for reliability. Step 2. Navigate to the SUPERBOX App Store from your home screen. You'll see different apps available for download. Look specifically for the Netflix icon or search for Netflix in the store's search bar. This should bring up the official Netflix app listing. Step 3. Select the Netflix app and read through any permissions it requests. Click the download button to start the installation process. The app will begin downloading to your device's storage, which may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Once the download completes, you'll see an install button appear on your screen. Tap it to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to finish completely before moving forward. Step 5. After installation, launch the Netflix app and sign in with your Netflix account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly from the app. Start enjoying your favorite shows and movies right on your SUPERBOX device.